Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Welcome. I finally have my box, you guys. This cutie right here is from Erin Condren. I ordered the surprise box, or I don't know what it's called, the Hello Kitty box. It looks like that. All right, so actually you know what, actually before I show you the box, let me tell you what else I ordered. So we'll just keep this on my lap. So I order a couple of other things. So this is the holiday gift guide, and a lot of the Erin Condren affiliates, you know, the ones that get the boxes for free, they already show some of the items, and I'm not looking to get anything from this right here. So, but you have gifts under $20, family gifts, personal, self-care items here. So yeah, this is just a little pamphlet right here. All right, so that's what's coming up, or it's probably out already because my box took forever. So I got a set of stickers. So what I did is I ordered the box and this other two things to get the free shipping plus extra discount and whatnot. This is a set of the vintage floral high gloss stickers. They're gorgeous. They're really pretty. And I purchased this right here for my daughter. This is the Hello Kitty notebook. This is small. Let me see how big this is. Including the the coil, it's about 6.5 inches by, let's see, 7, 8, maybe like 8.5. So my daughter's birthday is in June, so I went ahead and customized this and put June baby. The coil is beautiful. It's gold, and all of the signs have foil. Oh, so pretty. That's how it looks inside. Let me see, I'm kind of off. And it says Hello Kitty times or hearts or whatever, Erin Condren. Then you have the name here, and this is a notebook. But look at all the Hello Kitties inside. Oh my gosh. I was gonna purchase this for me too, but I think I'm gonna get it on the next order. But it's so pretty. Leo. Does it have all the signs? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So you have all of the signs on the 2 pages. So 6 here and 6 here. And that's how it goes. You know, to have all of these pages with the Hello Kitty prints, I thought it was a really good price. It's a smaller notebook, but I think my daughter's gonna love this. Okay, so let's see the last page. And it has the beautiful Erin Condren paper. So the last page is just this right here, and it has a sheet of stickers. I didn't know that. That's a nice surprise. I didn't know it had stickers. So beautiful. And here's the back. Oh my gosh, love that. I know my daughter's gonna love that too. All right, so here's a box, and let me show you. I'm gonna have to put it to the side because it's just too close to the camera. But that's the inside, and this is how it's packaged. Beautiful. I think I'm too close. Yeah, too close. Let me put it to the side. And my water. Oh yeah. And this little pamphlet has all of the items inside. All right. So let me just grab the first thing. Okay, so it has a set of gel pens, and I don't know if this is exclusive to the box. Let me see. This one is an exclusive. So I'm gonna use this notebook. No, I'm not. So this is a set of 5. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Oh, it has that. All right, let me get a piece of paper, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna use my planner here. This is my Happy Planner, and this is my Franken Planner. This is what I use every week, every month. All right, so let's test this out. It has like a really pretty design on the barrel right here. All right, so hello. Okay, so this is pink. So I guess the cap reflects the color of the ink, right? No, this one is a rainbow. Oh, so it is a rainbow ink. Nice. That one's a little harder to write. Okay. This is just green. So I'm guessing as you write and it keeps moving down, you're gonna have different colors. Okay, so the one that it shows the most is the second one, which is the yellow. This one you can really see. You can really see here the rainbow color. Oh, so cute. I like them. All right, so that's the first item. Oh yes. Okay, so this is the Hello Kitty key ring. I wanted this. I'm gonna put it with my keys. Oh, this is so cute. Let me see. Oh, it's nice and heavy, and you just twist this open. There you go. Then you get your key ring here and close it. Oh, this is nice. I like this. So like that. Yeah. All right, next item. Let me see. I got another little item. Oh, okay. It has a pack of sticky notes. It only has 20, so it's not a lot. But they're sticky. Oh, this is nice. So actually, you know what? I can add this. I'm gonna give this to my daughter, I think, so she can use it here. Or you can use this with your petite planners. Let me see. So this is my petite planner, and I can add a week here if I choose to. Oh, that's nice. So next we have a pocket journal line. Yes. This one feels really nice. You can feel the imprint, and it's gold and cream, and the inside is pink. Oh my gosh. You can add your name here, and you just have lined paper with pink, with the pink line. You have the ribbon to mark your page. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. And let me see the back. That's it. It's pink. All right, so I love that too. Pretty. Let me see what else. Oh yes, the umbrella. I was so excited for this item too. Actually, I was excited for everything. I forgot about this and this, but I remember this and the umbrella. We don't have an umbrella. Actually, I have one umbrella, and it's from Sephora. It's a full-size umbrella, and it's back when it's old. I had it. I don't even know when I got it, but it's pretty old. It's Sephora used to do a lot of special gifts for the VIB Rouge people, and they don't do that anymore, really. So I got it for free at one of the events at a store. So this one is so pretty. I don't think I should open it though. But let me just show you the print. So it looks like that. Oh, look at the Hello Kitty face. And the Erin Condren asterisk. Oh, beautiful. Okay, there you go. And you have the little case for it. Well, the thing is that here in Vegas, it doesn't rain that much. But I think for my daughter, when she goes to work and stuff, just to have it in the car, I think that would be nice. Instead of my other big one that I have. We only have one, and this is our second one. All right, next item, postcards. So 3 postcards. Oh, this is foil. Let me see. Oh, this is pretty. Be kind, be nice, repeat. With the Hello Kitty bow, and it has foil too. We're all in this together. Oh, so pretty. Hello Kitty and friends. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna have a lot of use for this, but they're nice. All right, what else is here? I feel something small. Oh, I forgot it had stickers. Let me see, let me see. It has some foil here. Oh, nice. Oh, and Hello Kitty and friends with gold. And just more Hello Kitty and friends. Tiny little ones. And flags. And washi. Those are pretty. I like them. I need to use them more because I've just, my other Hello Kitty stickers I haven't really used that much. Okay, so there's a box. Oh, I remember this. Okay, this is that planter. It's a planter and pencil cup. I don't think I'm gonna use this as a planter because I don't have a green thumb, you guys. I really don't. Which is funny because my husband can grow anything. And actually in our other house, our yard was a lot bigger, so we had a garden. And yeah, he would grow so many things. All right, let me see this. Oh my goodness. No. Look at mine. It has the drips of the paint or the glaze. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Is that supposed to be like this? No. See, this is so smooth right here. It's nice and pretty here. See the drippage here? Which is fine. I don't care the bottom. I don't care about the bottom, right? But the top. And what is this? It has a little hole right here. Oh, why? Yeah, and all the drips here. And it has a hole right here. Is this exclusive? Which means I'm not gonna be able to get another one. Let me see. Number 7. Yep, exclusive to the box. Yeah, the finish is terrible, you guys. All right, so if we just look at this area right here, it's so pretty. But if you look over here, you can see the drips all the way down here, 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 and here, all the way here, and there's a hole right there. This is a nice size. Let me show you. So if I put my pants right there. Oh, and the new ones. There's ones. So I think it's gonna fit a lot. This is nice. And I can actually add my whiteout and other things. So it's nice. I like the design. I like the color. The color is adorable. The size is good. The finish is terrible. On this side, all of this right here. Starting right here. From here to here, and there's a little hole right here and something here. Okay, I think that's it, right? Let me check. And even the box is cute. Look at that. All right, so this is my order, my latest order from Erin Condren. I am pleased with everything except this. Yeah, I got a bad one. Yeah, they didn't check. I don't know if my cousin, I'm gonna ask my cousin. I'll leave you her information up here. My Collectible Life got her box. So she got her box maybe like 3 or 4 days ago. And she ordered after me. So I ordered my box the day of the release. She ordered like, I don't know, 5 days later, but she got it before me. So I've been waiting for a while. I really like all of this. This little notebook is adorable. It feels nice. It's such a good size for a little backpack or purse. And everything. I think that everything is good quality except for this one. This one feels good, but the finish is bad. The stickers and the little notebook for my daughter. I just heard a real weird noise and I'm by myself. You know what? It always happens when I'm filming by myself. I always hear something. Like, see? I don't know if it's my dog. I'm gonna go check. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.